Hi, Professor Stephanie. I really enjoyed both of these chapters that I read. In chapter 2, I really appreciate the idea of teaching science from a community-based perspective, where students can really relate the science they're learning to their environment, and especially when it comes to a topic like climate change, the ways that they can mitigate and combat against climate change within their own community allows them to not see it, science and especially these concepts in an abstract way, but in a way that feels accessible to them and relatable to them, which is very important in education. Another aspect I really liked was teaching science from a place of hope, where students feel like they are agents of change and they have the ability to create change in our world. And that's really important for students to cultivate a sense of confidence in themselves and a sense of inner strength that they can contribute to the world. In chapter 2, I enjoyed the idea of the interconnectedness of science and how all of the Earth systems are related to one another, especially when it comes to something like the ocean, the Pacific Ocean, and how polluting the Pacific Ocean not only affects the Pacific Ocean, but the entirety of our ocean system, since they're all interconnected. And for students to understand that although we have borders, ultimately we are all a part of one world, and we are all responsible, even in a small way, in contributing to a healthy world. Using stories to teach about science is something that you did with us when we did the project of cleaning the stream. And right when you began the lesson as a story, it is funny, like that region of your brain that resonates with stories or is able to recall information more easily through stories rather than like facts and figures, as the book says, which I relate to. I almost like felt it like tingling. Like I was like, yes, I want to hear a story. So I definitely enjoy telling stories, and I enjoy hearing stories. So it resonated with me deeply that storytelling is an effective tool to teach science, and especially science can be so abstract for anyone. So for it to be taught in a story format where it's like, okay, there's a polluted stream. How, as a community, would we clean this stream? It makes it feel much more accessible to kids.